Okay, so let's continue with using Google Colab. So this is it. If you want to import NumPy, you just come here, import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD. And then you run it. And then there it is. That is how you use Google Colab. If you, here is where you write your topic. For example, food production. There. David.
Yes.
Have you understood how to use Google Colab?
Nimeona.
Yes. So this is another way. If you want to connect to Drive, you can come here and connect to Google Drive. It will mount and then you share your data set. So,
could you please just repeat my connection was weak. Just repeat it.
Okay, sorry. So let me repeat. Where should I start from the beginning?
Yes, yes, just started recording, yes, just from there.
Okay, so let me disconnect. So this is Google Colab. For you to connect, you come here where it is written. Okay, mine is written reconnect because I had connected, but it is normally written connect. So you click it and then it will connect automatically. You can see it is connecting. You give it time and then it will connect. Just a minute, it is initializing. After initializing, it will connect. And then there, when you see it, it has a green tick and then it shows the RAM and the disk. It has already connected, it is connected. Now, when you come here to code, you just go to the cell above. Like this cell, when you go below, it will give you a place to code or to write text. To write text is like to write text is like to use a markup language. For example, hello. There, that's what text is used for. And then the code is used for coding. For example, hashtag. Okay, for example, import TensorFlow as here. And then if you want to run the code, you just press this button that looks like play. When you go to the edge of your cell, you will find something that looks like a circle with a play. It looks like a play button. When you press it, it will run your code. If you want to add a new code, a new cell, you can use this one above also. It adds a new cell. Yes, I am. Another thing to now connect to your Google Drive, you can come here where it is written files at the edge. There is a margin there with one thing that looks like a list, another thing that looks like a search button, and then another thing that looks like a formula, and another thing that looks like a folder. So you come there, and then when you open it, when you click the thing that looks like folders, it will expand, and after expanding, you just go up there. You will see other things that looks like files, other icons that look like files and folders. In those icons, there is one folder that will tell you to mount your Google Drive. You click that one. After you click that one, your Google Drive will be mounted. And after mounting your Google Drive, you can access anything in your Google Drive from there. Now I won't show you my Google Drive. Yes, So have you understood how to use Colab? Is there anyone with a question before we go to the next agenda? Okay. Hello, can everyone hear me?
Yes, yes.
Have you understood, David?
Yes, I have understood you.
Okay. So I will stop sharing my screen. Okay. Is there anyone with an issue on the project before we go to something else? Those who have joined us currently, okay, those who have joined us now, if you have an issue with the project, please feel free to voice your concerns before we move on.
Read the comments, the inbox.
Okay, let me see. Okay, how to copy a data path. Escaping on a data set. Let me show you with Google Colab. For example, I want to import my data set. Let me share my screen. Just give me a minute.
Hello, Yvonne.
Yes.
Yeah, I think when you are demonstrating, don't show them using Google Colab. Show them using Jupyter, because if you will be doing so using Colab, it will confuse some people. Just use Jupyter. There is a point where we will fully introduce the Colab.
Okay. Let me see if my Jupyter can run. My Jupyter has problems with this computer. That's why I use Colab. Let me see. Let me check. Just give me a minute. I open it. Okay, it is running. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Your Jupyter notebook has got some issues.
Yes.
Why can't you just ask one of the members to
Yes.
share his or her screen?
Okay.
And then you guide her from her computer. You know how the path is copied in Colab is
Yes.
quite different from how it is copied from the Jupyter Notebook. So we wanted them to know first how to copy the path in Jupyter Notebook so that they know all the ways of escaping, so that when we will be introducing the Colab, they won't confuse between the two.
Okay. 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 Please share your who is ready with their computers right now? Anyone? If you are ready, please share your screen and open your Colab. Please. Okay. I think my Jupyter Notebook is running. Okay, let me try it again. Philip, do you have your computer ready?
Yes, the challenge is I'm using the phone for Zoom and I am using the computer to run the other thing. So I can't share, but let me see if I can connect to Zoom via my laptop.
Okay. That's fine. I think mine is also connected.
Okay, Yvonne, you can share so that we can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me open a notebook first. So this is an example of a notebook. Okay, this is an example of a ridge regression notebook. So, okay, let me give you formulas on how you can, if you have a challenge in copying the path of your data set. Number one, make sure that your notebook and your data set are in the same folder. If your notebook and your data set are in the same folder, you will have an easy time while trying to import your data set. You won't have a hard time. All you'll have to do is just write the name of the data set. Like this, like here now, when we are reading we are reading the CSV file, you can see it is just the name. There is no path there. This shows that it is in the same, okay, they are in the same folder, so it is easy to get the location of your data set. You won't have a hard time. Another way of copying the path of your data set is, for example, okay, let me stop sharing for a bit. I go back just a minute. Let me open a folder. Okay, I am searching for a data set that is not that complicated. Okay, now let me share my screen. So, for example, your data set is here. You come here. This is you come and click this folder here. Do you see this thing? Okay, do you see that folder? You come and click that folder. Control C, you copy it. Then you go to your notebook. Okay. Sorry, I am not used to Jupyter Notebook, but a bit. Oh. A bit. I am having issues. Just a minute. Okay. Seriously. A minute.
Yvonne, just share your screen. I think you are so much used to use Colab. Share your screen so that as you move, we help each other.
Okay. So new. Can you see my screen? Oh, hi. I am not yet sharing. 1 minute. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, just go and create a new Jupyter notebook.
It's telling me forbidden. This is
Yeah,
the,
press Python 3. Python 3.
yes, it's telling me forbidden. This is the problem I normally have with my Jupyter notebook. That's why I don't use it.
Okay, and why can't one member just open his or her Jupyter notebook so that we can move very fast? Because for me, I've joined this meeting using my phone. I'm not in the house.
Okay, that's what I was telling them, but no one seems to be ready with their computer.
Yeah, because the way Jupyter, Jupyter notebook is the main ID. The way we will copy the path in Colab is totally different with the way we will copy it in Jupyter notebook. That is why we want to go by the
Jupyter.
notebook. Yes.
Okay. But I can just show them the method of copying the notebook the way it is done in Jupyter Notebook in Colab, but I won't run it.
Yeah, do that.
Okay. So let me share my screen again and open a Colab.
And you need to uninstall your Jupyter notebook. You normally get that error due to it is just an installation error. You need to uninstall or update.
Okay. Okay. This Zoom has its header on my header, so it's hard to access my bar, my header on the Chrome. Let me stop sharing, and then I open a Colab, and then I share again. Okay. Yes, so this is Google Colab. So for example, to copy the path,
Just open a new Colab. It will confuse them. Open a new Colab. Don't do it on top
Okay.
of the other. Just open a new
okay,
one.
okay. File, new notebook. So if you want to copy the path, that's one way. You just go to the folder in which your dataset is. You find that yellow thing up there, this yellow thing over here. Then you click it, and then after clicking it, then slash the name of your dataset. For example, let's call it food.csv. It will go here. That is if it is in your computer. Okay, if it is in the same, if you are storing it in your computer, it will go and follow this path and escape and find your dataset. That is just one way. But the easiest way, and the one which I will tell you mostly to use if you are having a project, is to make sure that your notebook and your data set are in the same folder. That is the easiest way and the simplest way, and it won't give you any issues at all. Yes, so I'll just show you one. The rest I will give you as an assignment. Go and research, go and read what the lecturer taught. And after reading, you write it, because students, the lecturer gives you 40%, 30%, 70% is for yourself. So we also need to push you guys. So go and research the others and find them and do them. Yes. Is there any other question? Anyone else with any other question? Any other person with an issue? Anyone else with an issue? Before we go to the next thing on the agenda. Anyone else with an issue? So all of you, the assignment was okay. All of you can do it. Who can hear me? If you can hear me, please type yes on the chat or say yes. Okay, so it's John only who can hear me. Fine. Okay, let's go to the next thing on our agenda, and that is signing. There was a PDF document that you guys were given by the lecturers to sign, and there is a Python module that is in there that you're supposed to use. Let me open mine. We go through it together. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see from my side. I don't know if you have got other people that have left.
I think they are there. They are just not speaking. I have participants. Kevin, can you see my screen? Or I think
Yes,
they are.
I can see your screen.
Okay.
I can see your screen, but I want to drop out. I'm getting into another meeting. That's why I
Okay.
told you where I am. It's a little bit crazy, but I look for you and Mr.
Okay.
Lava.
Okay. So this is the syllabus. Okay. Not the syllabus specifically, but it contains the curriculum, what you are going to do, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. It also contains the rules that we are supposed to follow. It contains the duration of the classes from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Those are the Nairobi local classes. Yes, and then here it says paid consultation fee. It is 300 per trainee. That is if you need extra classes. For example, you see that you are failing, or there is a concept you don't really understand well and you need the instructor to take you through them. This is the fee that you will pay. Okay, and then this is the official curriculum that will run from September 18th to December 31st. And that time, the official payment rate will be 1,500. So let's just go to, as we all, sorry?
Yvonne, please.
Yes,
I think you are not saying the right thing. Go upwards, please, in your screen.
yes,
Yeah, if in these free classes, if maybe you want to book for your office hours, you have not understood something, it is just 300 per hour. And my time or your time, it will be from 7:30 to 9:30. That is East African time. Then the other thing, these are for the people who are in the US, North America, 1,500 per hour. And also it will be at the same time, 7:30 to 9:30. It is on Tuesdays. I think that is the thing.
okay. And yes, so this test date is not for you. Our test date is on September, not January. This is for the people who will come during the September intake. That's the test date for them. So this is our director. He is not with us today, but he's Pius Odhiambo, that is our director. And then our instructor is Mark Bushuru, the one who was just speaking. Then there is Daniel, and then there is me, and then there is Deborah, who isn't here. So the certificate that we are going to use is this one. It is entry-level Python programmer certificate. What you are learning, okay. We are learning two different things. There is this one, which you're supposed, which the notes you will find in their website, and then there is what our instructor teaches us. So yes, this is just the course outline. You will go and read it by yourself. If we start reading it, it will take us a long time explaining things. Let me just go to the links. So if you want to take your certification, this is where you book your certification, and it is $76. And it is paid directly to the Python Institute. And then this is where you get the resources. Okay. Let me share my link. Let me share my screen so that you can see. 1 minute. Let me first log in and then share my screen so that you can see how to take the certification, or how to take the modules and read, how to get the resources to read the modules. Just 1 minute. It is loading. It will take a bit of time. So I have already done mine. Okay, I have already done my first module. Let me see, who has their computer nearby so that we use theirs, because I have already logged into mine and done my first module, so it will be halfway through. I need to show you from the beginning. So please, if you have your computer nearby, share your screen so that I guide you through it.
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Tell me, open, because I can't see your screen again. Open what?
Do you have the document that contains the
don't.
course outline? You don't
I
have?
don't. Yeah, because I was added to the group later, the Python Africa group later. 1 moment, let me try, see if I can. Could you please send it
Yes.
to my WhatsApp?
Okay. Let me send it. Just 1 minute.
Fine.
Okay, Susan, I have sent it.
Mm,
Susan,
yeah, I've just received it.
yeah.
Okay.
So please
Mm,
open it.
send it to my computer.
Okay.
Where is it? Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
You're not sharing.
Okay, one moment.
There is that green arrow at the bottom telling you to share.
Okay, at the Zoom. Okay, okay. There, okay. Are you iPhone, MacBook? Share. Okay. Can you see it?
Not yet.
I think you make a post.
Mm.
Can anybody share the screen on unless she's made a co-host? Or?
Mm,
You can't. I make you a host. Let me see.
Yes, I think if you make her a host, she can share. I doubt if anybody else can just share, if not the host.
Okay, so I've made her a co-host.
Then I think she can now see the green button.
Can you see
okay.
it?
One moment. Yeah,
No pressure, just relax.
No, it's because my laptop is, oh God, one moment. Okay, share. Open system preference. Still not shared.
Not yet.
Okay. Sign in. I need to sign in. Let me to sign in. I need to sign in again to this meeting. Just a moment.
Okay.
One 7767. Sign in. Come on. Come on. Just a little low. A little low. I might need your help actually. Up. I don't remember all these things right now. Oh man. Yvonne, I can't recall my credentials, so let's just
Okay.
It's asking me to sign
Sign in.
Yes, and I can't remember.
Okay, let me
Right.
see.
Mm.
So I'll just show you from my computer then.
Wait. Let me see. Launch Zoom. Okay, let me try now.
Okay,
I've logged in.
okay.
Share. Is it shared now? Okay.
Have you shared?
Just let me try and log in
Okay,
again.
okay.
Come on. Footer. Okay, I think
Have you been able to do it?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, can I say something before I leave?
Yes.
Yeah, how many people are there in the call?
6.
6 minus me and you, or plus?
Plus, we are 4. But
There are
they
4.
were,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So you have told them there's the project that is due tomorrow, and there's also quiz 1 for module 1 due tomorrow.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to show them, how to access quiz 1. Someone was trying to share the screen.
Yes, let's show them how to, first let them sign up. After they sign up, let them know how to log in, everybody that is in the call, and then the notes, and then how to access module quiz the module 1. Then after that, they'll continue doing it, module 2, module 3, until module 4.
Yes.
And the modules are gonna run parallel with what is being taught in class, right?
Yes.
Yeah, module 2 is due next week before class.
Yes.
Okay, so 4 people in the call, and tomorrow we have a meeting 6 to 8. All right.
Yes.
Do you think you can do a meeting like this again from 8 to 10?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So after this, you make another announcement that will be helping those who are stuck tomorrow from 8 to 10. All right.
Okay.
And also share the recording. I can see one more person has joined.
Yes.
So which means under what I suspect is the system issues. System issues. That's the problem. System issues. Once they are able to penetrate the system and access the Jupyter notebook and run their Jupyter notebooks, even for one line of code, then they will be good. Right?
Yes.
Yes. And they sign the syllabus. Those who are in the call today should sign the syllabus and send it to you right now. The last page. We want the syllabus, the contract between us and them. We don't want to proceed without a contract.
Okay.
And in fact, that's the first thing that should be done. Anybody that signed the syllabus under that assignment, they get 100%.
Okay.
So because so 3 things that are due Friday. 1, syllabus has to be signed. 2 is quiz for module 1 quiz. 3 is a project, and each one of them is 100%. And then there will be a test on Saturday based on the project.
Okay.
There'll be a test on Saturday based on the project. The test will last for 30 minutes, and the test is not theoretical test. No, it's practical test. We're gonna give them another data set and ask them to run the commands that are there in the project that you're gonna go through them today with them today. So let them know about that. That
Okay.
next class they'll have a test for 30 minutes, and the test is doing the project in class, and submitting when the teacher is there. So that makes them 4 things due by the end of class on Saturday.
Okay.
Do you have any question for me?
Maybe they ask. Maybe the audience asks.
Yeah, let them ask questions if they have any question for me. Hello, do you have any question for me?
Is the 8 to 10 a.m. or p.m.?
PM.
No, 8 to 10 p.m. We can't do it AM. People are at work.
Okay.
This program is for people who are working. 8 to 10 p.m. Kenyan local time tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Any other question? So those who those who have attended the call today, I expect them to submit the project and the project by tonight before they sleep, and then tomorrow by 11:59 they submit the quiz for module 1. That's our expectation. Because if that cannot be done, then there was no need of having this call. This is a very objective call. So if you are in the call today, you submit the project tonight before you sleep, and then the quiz by 11:59 tomorrow. The other thing I wanted to, so there are 5 people in the call. So can you capture their details? Their official name, first name, last name, WhatsApp, cell phone number on that list I've given you, and then the email address.
Okay.
Yeah, capture for all. Let them send the details: first name, last name, WhatsApp number, mobile number, and then the email address on the Zoom chat so that you capture them on our records.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. I hope they will get help by the end of the call.
Okay. Okay.
Good job. Good job. I have to leave now. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. So Susan, okay, first, okay, let me first drop my email on the group chat. Send me your details, your name, your official names, your numbers, your email address to my email address. There. Can you see my email? Can you see my email? Susan, can you see my email?
But
Augusty,
where is it? Oh,
Augusty,
one moment.
please send it to my email.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
send.
we've seen it. Yes. Sure.
Okay, okay. So Susan, please scroll.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
No problem. Just
no
share it.
problem. I'll open it again. Yeah. Mm. Okay, scroll down.
Yes.
Can you
can't
see it?
your screen?
You can't.
Yes. Please share
Okay.
again.
You can see it now?
Yes. Scroll.
Okay, just a moment. Okay. I'm on
Yes.
I think I'm on page 2.
Yes. Scroll again.
Okay, I'm on page 3.
Scroll.
Okay, 4.
Scroll again. Scroll. No, wait. You are too fast. Go back.
Okay,
Go
there.
back. Now go to the other page just before page 6. Page 5. Page 5.
Here.
Yes,
Yeah.
there. Wait. You see that second link where it is written resources?
Yes.
Go click it.
EduB.
Yes, click that one.
Okay, there.
Click, open it. Control double click on it.
I've opened it. You can see it?
No, share the
Okay.
screen again. Share, yes. Share
Okay, let me just, okay, no problem. I'll go to the
okay.
browser there. Can you see it?
Not yet. We can just see your document. Stop sharing and then share again.
Can you share? New share. Okay, new share. Okay. There. Can you see it?
No. Stop sharing fast.
One moment. Can you see it now?
Yes, now we can see it.
Okay.
Okay. So the modules are free of charge. I want you to sign up.
Okay. There?
Yes, sign up.
Okay, I'll do that later so that I don't.
Yeah.
Uh,
If you want to just type anything, you'll change your password.
Okay.
You can change your password, yeah. You'll change your password later.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Go and verify your account from your email.
It's complete.
Login.
Okay. There you go.
Now I want you to go to Python 1.
The first
Python
one.
1 sessions, yes, that one.
Okay.
You can click details and see. It explains what that course is all about.
Yes.
And then now click enroll. Yes, English. Launch course. And there,
Okay.
you can now scroll. You see that arrow about PE1
One moment
top.
about,
You see where it's written Python Institute.
yeah.
Okay, the move to the center. No. Move to the center. Yes. No. Just do what you are doing.
Okay, keep moving.
Yes, keep moving. There.
Okay.
Yes.
Here,
Yes.
I click.
Yes. Those are the notes. You can click again. You are going to read it for yourself. I am not going to take you through these notes. You're going to read it for yourself. At the end of that, you will find a quiz. Okay? Yes. Now just go through it. At the end, you will find a quiz which you're supposed to do. Move. 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 Okay. I don't want you to reach the quiz because you haven't read it, but you are supposed to read all those notes. And then after that, you will find a quiz which is timed and it is open book. The quiz is not hard, it's very easy, but don't attempt it before you read the notes. And then when you finish module 1, you go to module 2 and do the same and do the same and do the same until you are done with all the modules. Is there anyone with a question or anyone who has an issue with this process? If you do, please speak up.
No problem.
Okay, then if there is no one with a problem or an issue, you can stop now sharing your screen. Thank you very much, Susan. Yes, that was our...
I can share?
Yes, you can stop sharing. Yes, thank you very much. That was our meeting. If there is anyone with an issue, please reach out to me. I will do my best to help you. And also, as I will send you the document you're supposed to sign I will send it to the Python Africa group. Please ensure that you sign it. And if there's anyone with an issue with the project also, just feel free to reach out. But I will tell you, I won't give you all the answers because you are also supposed to play your part. I do mine, you do yours. I give you an example, you go research and find out more and also do more. Yes, that was it for today. Thank you.
Yvonne,
Yes,
7. No,
Yes.
no, it's okay. Whatever you asked, you have already got, Paul.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
And
Yes.
Yvonne,
Yes.
I think some of us had already sent. Do we send them back again to you, or what do we do?
No. If you have already signed, it's okay. If you haven't signed,
Okay.
sign again. Oh,
Okay.
so not sign again, sign. But if you have already signed, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And oh, wait, before you leave, I want to get feedback from you. How are the lessons taking you? Is there any issue or anything you can tell us, anywhere you feel like we should change? We are open for feedback.
I think like today's meeting, it was so much abrupt. You can work on the scheduling you notify earlier.
Okay. Yeah, today meeting was abrupt because I reached out to you today.
Yeah.
Yes, but we will work on that. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So if there is none, then thank you very much for attending. Yes, if you have an issue, please, tomorrow we also have another meeting from 8 to 10. Please be there, I will assist you. Okay, thank you. I am ending the meeting. Oh, and don't forget to send me your details through my email. It's on the chat. Let me give you a few minutes for those who haven't copy it before I end the meeting.
It will just be
Pardon?
the name and the email address or what?
Your name, your phone number, and your email address. Okay, I am ending the meeting. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.